Hello, my name is Flori J. Valtoribio. In this slide, we have cybercrime, include a wide range of offenses such as hacking, identity theft, fraud, and online harassment. Cybercrime is growing problem as more and more people rely on computers and internet for their daily lives. Next, we have the cybercriminals. They can be motivated by financial gain, revenge, or simply for the challenge. Cybercriminals are a variety of methods to commit their crimes, such as hacking, phishing, and malware. On next slide, we have the Law Republic Act number 10175, also known as the Cybercrime Prevention Act of 2012. Offenses against the confidentiality, integrity, and availability of computer data and systems. This includes illegal access, unauthorized interference, interference, data interference, misuse of devices, and cyber squatting. Computer-related offenses. This includes the computer-related identity theft, computer-related fraud, and access device fraud. Content-related offenses. This includes child pornography, unso- unsolicited commercial, communications, and libel. Illegal access, unauthorized interference, system interference, data interference, misuse of devices, cybersquatting, identity theft, computer-related fraud, access device fraud, child pornography, and commercial communications, and lastly, libel. The DPA defines personal data as any information, whether recorded in a material form or not, about an individual whose identity is known or can be reasonable and directly ascertained, either itself or in conjunction with other information. This includes, but it is not limited to, a person's name, address, contact information, date of birth, gender, and financial information. The DPA sets out a number of principles that must be followed by entities that process personal data.